In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaMask in incognito mode. First, let's start by opening Google Chrome. You can do this by locating the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Simply double-click the icon to launch the browser. Once Chrome is open, you'll see the familiar interface including the address bar at the top and bookmarks if you have any saved. This step is vital because MetaMask operates within the Chrome environment, and we need to ensure we are working in the right application. Next, look for the extensions icon in the upper right corner of your Chrome window. This icon usually resembles a puzzle piece. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Extensions. This action will take you to a page where you can see all the extensions you've added to Chrome. It's crucial to access this area, as it allows you to modify the settings for each extension. Now, find MetaMask in the list of installed extensions. Once you've located it, click on the Details button. This will open up a new panel with various options related to MetaMask. Here you can customize how this extension behaves within your browser. It is important to familiarize yourself with these settings as they can greatly enhance your user experience with MetaMask. After you have the details open, look for the option labeled Allow in Incognito. You will notice a toggle switch next to it. Click on this switch to turn it on. This step is essential because enabling this option allows MetaMask to function in your incognito windows. Without this setting, you won't have access to your wallet while browsing privately. Once you click the toggle, it will change color, indicating that incognito mode is now enabled for MetaMask. With that done, the next step is to open a new incognito window. You can do this by clicking on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of your Chrome browser. From the drop-down menu, select New Incognito Window. A new window will pop up, characterized by a dark theme and the incognito logo. Working in this mode helps you maintain privacy as your browsing history won't be recorded. It's a great choice when you want to keep your activities discreet. Now, return to the extensions icon in your new incognito window. Click on it once more and you should see the MetaMask icon listed there. Click on the MetaMask icon to open the extension. This action will launch the MetaMask interface where you can access your wallet and perform transactions. You will see your assets and options for sending or receiving cryptocurrency. This is where you will manage your wallet while browsing in incognito mode. It's important to note that while using incognito mode with MetaMask, your wallet activity and blockchain transactions are not private. Incognito mode does not provide anonymity on the blockchain itself. This means that while your browsing history is not saved, your transactions may still be visible on the blockchain. Understanding this will help you use MetaMask more effectively while ensuring that you remain aware of the implications of your actions. In conclusion, using MetaMask in incognito mode is a straightforward process that enhances your browsing privacy. By following these steps, you can easily access your wallet without leaving a trace in your browser history. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for watching and enjoy using MetaMask.